Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. A bidet seat is a specialized toilet seat that can spray water to clean your bottom after using the toilet. It improves cleanliness, reduces toilet paper use, and even reduces hemorrhoids. It's very popular in Japan, Korea, and many European countries. I got this Bio Bidet 68,000 model from Costco. You may check the product link in the comment section below. This bidet features heated seat, dual nozzle water spray, warm air dryer, and wireless remote control. To prepare the installation, you need to make sure there is a nearby outlet. Turn off the water valve. Drain the water from the tank. And remove the original toilet seat. There are two sizes of this bidet seat, round or elongated. Measure from the center of the two mounting holes to the front of the toilet bowl. If the measurement is about 16.5 inches, choose the round version. If the measurement is about 18.5 inches, choose the elongated version. Prepare the mounting bracket. Install the mounting bracket. Slide the bidet seat to the mounting bracket. Prepare the T-valve and the connection hose. Install the T-valve. Connect the hose to the bidet seat. Connect the power. Now let's check out the features. Press the cleansing button to initiate a focused water spray. Press it again to activate oscillation. Press the bidet button to initiate feminine wash. It uses a second nozzle with wider spray area but gentler water pressure. Press it again to activate oscillation. Press the dryer button to initiate heated air dry. You can adjust the water pressure and nozzle positions. Press the water temperature button to adjust 3 presetted temperature. Press the seat temperature button to adjust 3 preset temperatures. The lid is soft close. It won't bang on the seat even if you let go of the seat. The LED accent light is helpful at night. There are additional functions such as massage spray, aerated spray, kids mode, and auto mode. To clean the nozzles, you may press and hold the front button to extract the nozzles for manual cleaning. Or you may press and hold the back button to initiate auto cleaning. Here are my final thoughts of this bidet seat. The pros are adjustable water pressure and nozzle position to fit individual needs, easy to install, affordable price. The cons are the size is relatively small, dryer airflow not strong enough. Overall, this Bio Bidet USPA 68000 model is an entry-level bidet that is great for first-time user trying out bidet cleaning. If you enjoy it, you may consider more advanced bidet seats that come with additional features such as auto lid opening and UV self-cleaning. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time.